Thank you for joining me today. My name is Elena McGuire, Benefits Specialist with Human Resources Incorporated, and I will be reviewing our online benefit enrollment system covering new hires, open enrollments, and qualifying life events. All members who are eligible for benefit enrollment should receive an email with a link to their employee portal and some basic instructions on how to access their enrollment. If you do not receive this email, for any reason, whether it be blocked by your spam filter or not allowed due to security settings put in place by your servers, please feel free to access your enrollment directly by going to hri-online.com, clicking on Login and Employee Portal. From the Employee Portal, enter your username and password, then click Login. If you have not yet registered, please click Register for an account or contact your dedicated client service specialist if you're having any issues. Once you have logged into your employee dashboard, along the left-hand menu, click on Benefits, then Benefit Enrollment, and a pop-up window will be displayed showing you your active benefit elections. The welcome letter will walk you through the steps needed to process your enrollment, and we strongly encourage our employees to follow the Next button versus clicking over here along the left-hand menu to ensure that they are prompted properly through all enrollment fields. In the Dependent screen, you can click Add a Dependent, fill in all the required data fields indicated by the red star, and then click on Save to add a dependent to your enrollment. Within each enrollment screen, you'll be prompted individually for medical, dental, vision, and all benefits that are available to you at that time of the event. As a new hire, you'll be prompted for all benefits available to you through the organization. During open enrollments, you'll be prompted only for those benefit plans that are currently undergoing open enrollment. For life events, you will also only be prompted for those benefits impacted by your life event. If at any time you have any questions or concerns regarding the benefits that are being made available to you, please do not hesitate to contact us. When processing your enrollments, you will see all available enrollees listed at the top of the screen. Those listed in green are currently covered members for that benefit enrollment, even if you have not yet selected a plan. To cover any dependents, simply click the toggle to change it from gray to green to now list them as covered under the benefit that is selected. Within the benefit options, you can view the plan details, pricing, deductibles, copays, or you can compare two plans by clicking on the Compare fields and then clicking the Compare button to receive a side-by-side comparison between plans. If additional questions, you can also click on the orange SBC button to see a detailed benefit summary for your plan. To elect a benefit, simply click on the blue box for the plan that you wish to elect, changing it from select to green, indicating that you have chosen that plan. Scroll down and click Next. For each plan that you wish to enroll in, again, make sure the toggles for each enrolled member that you wish to have covered is turned to green. Click on the select box to turn it green, and click on Next. If you do not wish to enroll in coverage for any reason, below the enrollment window is a waiver. You can click here to agree to waive your benefits. Once you have completed enrolling in all of your benefit options, you'll see either a green check mark show up next to the benefit type indicating that you have enrolled in coverage for that plan, or a gray checkbox indicating that you have chosen to waive benefits within that option type. For any benefit option that may be covered at 100% by your employer, you will see an automatic enrollment. You will get to that screen and the selection will automatically be toggled to green. We discourage you from clicking that and disabling the enrollment, but in the event that that does happen and it is something covered by your employer, we will make sure to correct it on our end during the final stage of processing. Within your benefit summary, you will see all of the benefit information as it has been entered, your dependency, the medical plans enrolled and those covered, and any plans that have been waived will be listed with a waiver. Some plans come with a disclaimer that give you some details regarding the plan, whether it be a website for accessing information, details regarding an HSA account and how to enroll in a plan, or anything else that we feel that you as an employee may need to be aware of. By clicking Read More, you can see the entire note, and you will be required to check the box acknowledging receipt in order to move forward. Once you have reviewed your entire summary and you acknowledge the per pay period cost for your benefit plans, click Submit to complete your enrollment. You will be asked to electronically sign and acknowledge your submission by clicking the Acknowledge box and signing your name. Your name must match exactly as it appears here in the top right, or else it will not be accepted. For example, I have typed the name in backwards and it is showing as incorrect. If I type it in as it shows in the top right-hand corner, it is now being displayed as accepted, and you can click on Complete Your Enrollment. After a brief processing delay, you will receive a confirmation page displaying all the benefits that you have elected, any information that's pertinent to your enrollment, and contact information for our office if you have any questions. Please feel free to call us at any time at 410-451-4202, or you can email us at benefits@hri-online.com.